கங்கை நதனை கங்கை நதனை கருணை புரிபவனை கங்கை நதனை கருணை புரிபவனை மங்கை நாமும் போலெடுத்து அடிப்பாடி மகிழ்வோமே மங்கை நாமும் போலெடுத்து அடிப்பாடி மகிழ்வோமே கங்கை நதனை கருணை புரிபவனை கங்கை நதனை திங்களை சடையில் ஏந்தி தித்தியென ஆடுவார் அங்கமெல்லாம் பமணிந்த சக்தியுடன் கூடிய திங்களை சடையில் ஏந்தி தித்தியென ஆடுவார் அங்கமெல்லாம் பமணிந்த சக்தியுடன் கூடிய அண்டச்சராச்சரங்களும் நடுங்கிட ஆடும் அந்த அம்பலவாணனை நாமும் ஆடி பாடி போல் அடிப்போம் அண்டச்சராச்சரங்களும் நடுங்கிட ஆடும் அந்த அம்பலவாணனை நாமும் ஆடி பாடி போல் அடிப்போம் கங்கை நதனை கருணை புரிபவனை கங்கை நதனை பாலனாக வந்து அந்த பாவை கௌரி தனக்கு பாலனாக வந்து அந்த பாவை கௌரி தனக்கு பாகாக வரமளித்து பதவியும் அளித்து பாகாக வரமளித்து பதவியும் அளித்து பக்தியாக பரதியும் பூஜித்த நலீசனை பக்தியாக பரதியும் பூஜித்த நலீசனை சக்தி வேலாயுதனையும் பெற்றெடுத்த தேவனை நாம் சக்தி வேலாயுதனையும் பெற்றெடுத்த தேவனை நாம் பாடி ஆடுவோம் மங்கையர்கள் நாமும் கூடி பாடி ஆடுவோம் மங்கையர்கள் நாமும் கூடி பாடி ஆடுவோம் பாடி ஆடுவோம் பாடி ஆடுவோம் கோலாடுவோம் நாமும் பண்பாடுவோம் மதிவொளி நிலவிலே கூடியாடுவோம் நாமே கோலாடுவோம் நாமும் பண்பாடுவோம் மதிவொளி நிலவிலே கூடியாடுவோம் நாமே கோலாடுவோம் பூலோகமீதிலே புவைய நாமே பூலோகமீதிலே புவைய நாமே பூமணம் வீசிடோ பூஜோலை தன்னிலே பூமணம் வீசிடோ பூஜோலை தன்னிலே பூக்களை கொய்து நாம் சூட்டிக் கொள்வோம் பூக்களை கொய்து நாம் சூட்டிக் கொள்வோம் புதுமையான எழுத பூங்காவில் நாமும் புதுமையான எழுத பூங்காவில் நாமும் கோலாடுவோம் நாமும் பண்பாடுவோம் மதிமொழி நிலவில கூடியாடுவோம் நாமே கோலாடுவோம் நாமும் பண்பாடுவோம் மதிமொழி நிலவில கூடியாடுவோம் நாமே கோலாடுவோம் மயிலினம் கூடி நடனமாடுது மயிலினம் கூடி நடனமாடுது குயிலினம் கூடி இசையும் பாடுது குயிலினம் கூடி இசையும் பாடுது வெள்ளி போல் மின்னி வீணினம் கொள்ளுது வெள்ளி போல் மின்னி வீணினம் கொள்ளுது புள்ளிமான் வாயது வாங்கியரே பாரி புள்ளிமான் வாயது வாங்கியரே பாரி கோலாடுவோம் நாம பண்பாடுவோம் மதிமொழி நிலவில கூடியாடுவோம் நாமே கோலாடுவோம் நாம பண்பாடுவோம் மதிமொழி நிலவில கூடியாடுவோம் நாமே கோலாடுவோம் 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 கோலெடுத்தாடிடுவோம் கோபாலன் லீலையை பாடிடுவோம் நந்தகோபால் மைதன் தானடி பணிந்து நாம் கோலெடுத்தாடிடுவோம் சுந்தரி ராசையுடன் கண்ணன் சொந்தமாயிருக்க அந்த ரஞ்சம் அதில் அடைந்திட்டால் இன்பமும் சுந்தரி ராசி தரும் பாவையர் உள்ளமதை கண்ணல் பரிசோதிக்க எண்ணி பாத்திரத்திலையாய் பண்ணின ராசையை பலரும் அதிசயிக்க வெற்றிலை பார்த்து தன்னை பெண்கள் வீசின யமுனை தன்னில் பார்த்திட பெண்களை பரிந்துமை கண்ணனும் பாய்ந்திட்டார் யமுனை தன்னில் மாதவனும் மறிதவுடன் மங்கைகளும் மனமுடிந்து மாயவனை மாத பெற போற்றினார் மாதவனும் மறிதவுடன் மங்கைகளும் மனமுடிந்து மாயவனை மாத பெற போற்றினார் கோபுதை நீங்கள் செய்குவீர் கோபுதை நீங்கள் செய்குவீர் அதி கோலகலமாக நானும் கூடிய ஆசையுடனே கோமளாகி உங்கள் முன்னே வந்து சேருவேன் அதி கோலகலமாக நானும் கூடிய ஆசையுடனே கோமளாகி உங்கள் முன்னே வந்து சேருவேன் கோபுதை நாங்கள் செய்கிறோம் கோபுதை நாங்கள் செய்கிறோம் என்று நாடிய நாரிகள் எல்லாம் பாடிய கொலையடித்து கூடிய கோபூஜனை செய்திட்டார் நாடிய நாரிகள் எல்லாம் பாடிய கொலையடித்து கூடிய கோபூஜனை செய்திட்டார் ஆடினார் புகழ் பாடினார் ஆடினார் புகழ் பாடினார் அந்த காரிய கலக்கம் நீங்க கண்ணன் அந்த ராசையோடு கண்ணிய முன்னாலே வந்து தோன்றினார் அந்த காரிய கலக்கம் நீங்க கண்ணன் அந்த ராசையோடு கண்ணிய முன்னாலே வந்து தோன்றினார் கண்ணனையே பாடினார் கண்ணனையே பாடினார் பெண்கள் மங்களமாய் மாதர்களும் மாதவனை தான் பணிந்து எங்கும் புகழ் ஓங்கிடவே பாடினார் மங்களமாய் மாதர்களும் மாதவனை தான் பணிந்து எங்கும் புகழ் ஓங்கிடவே பாடினார் எங்கும் புகழ் ஓங்கிடவே பாடினார் எங்கும் புகழ் ஓங்கிடவே பாடினார்
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. What better way to celebrate Natyam but with Natyam, with the folk and the Kummi and the Kolatam. We welcome every one of you to this evening's annual day celebration. Abhay has completed 29 years and we are embarking on the 30th year of this fraternity of artists, and I think it deserves a big round of applause, for it is a community created by some of the stalwarts sitting here for the benefit of artists like all of us.
Today, as we stand here celebrating a special milestone, we are delighted to welcome Dr. M.S. Swaminathan in our midst. Abhay honors itself by honoring one of Bharatanatyam's legendary dancers, the evergreen Srimati Yamini Krishnamurthy, who has travelled all the way from New Delhi to receive this award. We are very happy to have another legend, a guru from a great tradition, a dancer who carries with her the rich knowledge of her ancestors, the inimitable Kalaimamani Srimati Indira Rajan teacher. Our president, office bearers and committee members have put a lot of thought in selecting our awardees today, and we welcome each one of you this evening. We now call upon our president, our chief guest, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, Srimati Yamini Krishnamurthy and Srimati Indira Rajan to light the Kuthuvilakku.
today also marks the 1000th birthday of Saint Ramanujar, the expoundant of the philosophy of Vishishta Advaita and Sri Vaishnava. Our singer for this evening, Srimati Nandini Anand, will sing a prayer, a few verses from the Ramanuja Nutrandadi.
பூமன்னுமாத பொருந்திய மார்பன் புகழ்மலிந்த பாமன்னுமாறன் அடிபணிந்து உய்ந்தவன் பல்கலையோர் தாமன்னவத ராமானுஜன் சரணாரவிந்தம் நாமல் நிவாழ நெஞ்சே சொல்லுவோம் அவன் நாமங்களை அவன் நாமங்களை இருப்பிடம்பை குந்தம் வேங்கடம் மாலிருஞ்சோலை என்னும் பொறுப்பிடம் மாயனுக்கு என்பனல்லோர் இருப்பிடம்பை குந்தம் வேங்கடம் மாலிருஞ்சோலை என்னும் பொறுப்பிடம் மாயனுக்கு என்பனல்லோர் அவை தன்னோடு வந்து இருப்பிடம் மாயன் ராமானுஜன் மனத்து இன்று அவன் வந்து இருப்பிடம் என்னன் இதயத்துள்ளே தனக்கு இன்புறவே இதயத்துள்ளே எந்தன் இதயத்துள்ளே தனக்கு இன்புறவே
Offering everything at the feet of the Maha Acharya, I request our President, Chitraka, Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran, to say a few words.
दक्षिणामूर्ति समारंभां शंकराचार्य मध्यमाम् अस्मत् आचार्य पर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरु परम्पराम् ओम नमो भगवते मुत्तकृष्णाय. My heart is so full for Abhay. Over the past 29 years has been taking strides. First infantile strides, then teenage strides, and now well-adult strides. Stepping it into its 30 years, Abhay is fulfilling the promise of its being a social welfare organization for the practitioners of Bharatanatyam. But even as we put in a lot of our energies into the social welfare aspect, over the years, legends, great gurus, practitioners have strengthened this art form by giving of themselves and their entire life's purpose to younger practitioners of dance, and have strengthened and empowered them to step out on their own. We now have been inviting the younger generation of teachers who will carry on this transference of knowledge. But what makes this evening so very special is, for me, in many ways, because we all here are to celebrate dance. After all, there are many other aspects, but what is dance primarily and finally meant for? It is to tap and awaken that Anandamaya Kosha within ourselves. And if we cannot celebrate that Ananda, then what is the purpose of it? And hence today we all are gathered together, holding hands to celebrate. And we have the very man behind the green revolution of our country, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan. The one and only Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, who has seen me since I was a seed and has been so much an integral part of my life as an artist. And there was a time when he was here, I would always look forward to seeing him in the audience. A person who has brought pride to our country, a person who should be emulated. Even today, Dr. MSS is in his office at 9:30 in the morning. Even today, you send him a mail, the next moment you get a reply. These are qualities we need to emulate, the younger generation needs to emulate, and people like him are a lodestar who point the way. And the wonderful Dr. Yamini Krishnamurthy. What a legend in her very own time. And not a legend after she passed 55, but a legend when she was in a very peak as a performer. I remember seeing her in Kolkata first. I have a photograph, I don't think I have ever shown it to her, where I, as a young girl, am looking up at her with such adulation in my eyes. There was so much dynamism in her dance, in her Natyam, and she has brought it to every style that she has performed. We are not honoring her with the Natya Kalanidhi. She is honoring us by agreeing to accept it and coming all the way from Delhi to bless us with her positive thoughts and vibrations. And we have Srimati Indira Rajan, Kalaimamani Indira Rajan, whose Nattavangam has thundered across the globe. Her Shulkatte and rendition of it is such that she can even make an inanimate object dance. Such is the vibration and feel in her voice, and we are extremely grateful to her for having accepted to receive the Natya Kalanidhi. I am very grateful to Deepak Mazumdar, also to Shijit Krishna, to the Gandharva Nipunas, to our Nellai Kannan sir, who is accepting the Layavadhani. It's not a regular title that is given, but it's given for expertise. Gandharva Nipunas, Dr. Kandadevi Vijayaraghavan and Veda Krishna Ram. And this year, Radhika Shurjit, with the title which has been instituted this year for dancers, Nartakis above 45. Because we realized that we had not touched upon that age group. So every one of you artists who are present, every one of you corners of art who are present, Satyanarayana Raju from Bangalore and Rama Vaidyanathan from Delhi, who are both present
to conduct the Abhivriddhi Shalas this summer with transference of not just Natyam but of their experiences with their teachers, their gurus and their lodestars. Thank you very much every one of you for being here. I welcome every one of you, and we will now go on to the next happening in this evening.
We request Chitraka to honor our chief guest for the evening, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, who is a Padma Vibhushan awardee and a Ramon Magsaysay award. The gifts that have been presented, as Akka is explaining, have been made by the special children of Rasa. There are tiny boxes, there are paintings. The shawls have also been printed by the special children of Rasa.
We begin with the awards for the year 2016. We are lagging behind with the year because of natural calamity of cyclone. So the Natya Kalanidhi Award is a very special one as it is given to a senior artist of our fraternity. It is unique in that the artists honor fellow artists whose contribution is not only immense but has made a great impact even for generations to come. The Natya Kalanidhi for the year 2016, Srimati Yamini Krishnamurthy. Let's see a wonderful clipping of her achievements and awards.
परित्राणाय साधूनां विनाशाय च दुष्कृतां धर्मसंस्थापनार्थाय सम्भवामि युगे युगे सम्भवामि युगे युगे सम्भवामि युगे युगे
Yamini was presented with the award of the Freedom of the City of Cleveland, Ohio. Yamini Krishnamurthy received the Nritya Sagaram Award, which was conferred recently upon her by the Bhairavi Fine Arts Academy, Cleveland, USA. Yamini Krishnamurthy has been awarded the Padma Shri. Padma Bhushan,
Dr. Yamini Krishnamurthy,
Padma Vibhushan, Sangeet Natak Academy Award, Kalidas Samman. She was presented the honorary degree of D.Litt. She was also crowned as Asthana Nartaki of the famed temple of Lord Venkateshwara at Tirupati.
The then President of India, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, honored her with Bhama Veni. It is a prelude to the performance of Satya Bhama Kalapam.
She received the Siddhendra Yogi Puraskar for 2007. Yamini Krishnamurthy was decorated with the Annamacharya Award from Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, Tirupati. The Andhra Saraswati Award was conferred upon her by Great Mother Teresa. She received the Nritya Vidyanidhi Award, which was conferred upon her by Andhra Music Academy. Yamini Krishnamurthy also received the Achievers Award for 2006, the Great Women Award for 2007.
इस साल शास्त्रीय संगीत और नृत्य के 5 कलाकारों को लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया है। इसके लिए एक संस्था ने गुरुवार को दिल्ली में खास समारोह आयोजित किया।
She was honored Legend of India.
Ladies and gentlemen, a standing ovation for these 5 great legends of our country.
राम बुद्धिमतां वरिष्ठम गीतं वाद्यं तथा नृत्यं त्रयं संगीतमुच्यते। हनुमंत अवार्ड सुश्री यामिनी कृष्णमूर्ति, शास्त्रीय नृत्य भरतनाट्यम। भारतीय शास्त्रीय संगीत की अपरिमेय साधना और सेवा के लिए आपको हनुमंत अवार्ड अर्पण करके हम आनंद और गौरव का अनुभव करते हैं। मुरारी बापू।
Dancer Yamini Krishnamurthy conferred Ustade-Ma title. Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi dancer Yamini Krishnamurthy was conferred the title of Ustade-Ma by Khan.
కూచిపూడి నృత్యానికి వీరు చేసిన సేవలకు గాను నాట్య కళాసుధ అవార్డును వీరు మాన్యులు గౌరవనీయులు మన రాష్ట్ర గవర్నర్ గారు డాక్టర్ కె రోసయ్య గారి చేతుల మీదుగా అందుకుంటున్నారు. వారికి వెండి కిరీటం జ్ఞాపిక పుష్పగుచ్చంతో వారిని సత్కరించారు. శ్రీమతి యామిని.
Janaki will read the citation. We request Dr. Yamini Krishnamurthy to please come to the center.
The Abhay citation reads, "The Association of Bharatanatyam Artists of India is pleased to confer the title of Natya Kalanidhi on Dr. Yamini Krishnamurthy,
senior Bharatanatyam exponent and guru, for her lifetime service, achievements and contribution to the field of Bharatanatyam by preserving and promoting the art in India and abroad. Dated May 1st, 2017, Chennai. Signed Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran, President Abhay."
We call upon our President, Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran, to honor our awardee. We present a citation, a medal, and a purse. Natya Kalanidhi, Dr. Yamini Krishnamurthy for you, ladies and gentlemen.
We take great pride in conferring the title of Nartaka Nipuna, an award instituted in the memory of late Srimati Nirmala Ramachandran for a deserving senior male dancer to Shri Deepak Mazumdar. We please request you to come to the center and receive your award. Our President, Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran, will confer the title. And Janaki will be reading the citation, biodata and citation.
We are happy to introduce Sri Deepak Mazumdar to the Chennai audience today. Sri Deepak Mazumdar is one of the most celebrated luminaries of Indian classical art, renowned in India and the world over as an exemplary exponent of Bharatanatyam for over 4 decades. His illustrious career as a performer, choreographer, guru and a scholar of both the Shastra and Sampradaya aspects of classical art began with his spiritual master, Sri Satya Sai Baba, who felicitated him with a gold medal for dance. Deepak Ji took this as a divine message, and from that moment, he shunned the popular path of a career in commerce and chose to surrender his life at the altar of classical dance. I think that's a spiritual message. Defying social stereotypes and societal pressure, he went on to become the first male student in India to earn a master's degree in fine arts from the esteemed Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya with honors. Even as a student and disciple of Padma Bhushan Dr. Kanakrele and Kalaimamani, the late Sri Kadirvelu Pillai, the prodigal flourish of Deepak Ji's dancing won him the privilege of performing all over the world. He has been rated as a top-grade artist by Doordarshan, granted Senior Scholarship for Dance by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India, and Senior Fellowship for Dance for his thesis on Sangam Literature by the Ministry of Culture, Government of India. Sri Mazumdar has been the founder-director of the Shiladhish Art and Research Institute for 25 years and is the chairman of the Brahmanad Academy of Creative Education. He has also been a lecturer at his alma mater, the Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya, and a faculty for the Board of Studies for Dance at the University of Mumbai. He has been a visiting faculty and guest speaker at numerous fine arts institutes and universities across the globe. He's also a keen researcher in the therapeutic potential of art in general and of Bharatanatyam in particular. He has conducted programs on self-awareness through dance rehabilitation for visually, orthopedically and verbally challenged students, as also for children afflicted with autism and retardation. Abhay is happy to honor him this evening. The citation reads, "The Association of Bharatanatyam Artists of India is pleased to confer the title of Nartaka Nipuna and present the Srimati Nirmala Ramachandran Award to Shri Deepak Mazumdar, Bharatanatyam dancer and teacher. Dated May 1st, 2017, Chennai. Signed, Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran, President, Abhay."
We now come to the Gandharva Nipuna of the year 2016. I request Dr. Kandadevi S. Vijayaraghavan to please take center stage. The Gandharva Nipuna is instituted in memory of the late Srimati Usha Srinivasan and is awarded to a deserving artist in the field of accompaniment in a Bharatam Kacheri. The citation reads,
"The Association of Bharatanatyam Artists of India is pleased to confer the title of Gandharva Nipuna and present the Usha Srinivasan Award to Dr. Kandadevi S. Vijayaraghavan, Violin Vidwan for Natyam, for his long-standing service in the field of Bharatanatyam as a senior violin Vidwan. Dated May 1st, 2017, Chennai. Signed, Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran, President, Abhay." Kandadevi Dr. S. Vijayaraghavan is the grandson and disciple of violin maestro Kalaimamani Kandadevi Sri Alagiri Swami. He is the disciple of Mailatur Sri Mani Iyer and Sri N. Chandrasekharan and Sri V. L. Kumar. He has played the violin for leading artists in India and abroad. He has given solo performances and has also played the role of accompanist for several artists. He is a B high grade, All India Radio Chennai. He has received several awards, to name a few: the Yuvakala Bharati, Bharata Sangeeta Bhushana. He is the Asthana Vidwan of Kanchimat. He has received the Nadana Vadya Padmam from Brahmagana Sabha and Best Violin Artist for Bharatanatyam Award from Krishnagana Sabha. He has passed the Diploma in Music Violin with first class from Tamil Nadu Government Music College, Chennai. He is a Master in Music from Madras University, securing it with first class. And he is a PhD in Music Violin from Tamil Nadu University, Tanjore, and has received his doctorate. He is working as head of the department of the Violin Department in Tamil Nadu Government Music College, Chennai for more than 16 years. Abhay is happy to honor him this evening.
Those were the awards for 2016. We now come to the awards of 2017. And to receive the Natya Kala Nidhi of 2017, we request none other than the great, legendary Guru and Natuanar, Srimati Indra Rajan, to receive this award. We have a sound clip that we will play just now. That was the fiery Indramma on the Natuangam. Janaki will now read the citation.
Abhay, the Association of Bharatanatyam Artists of India, is pleased to confer the title of Natya Kalanidhi on Srimati Indira Rajan, Senior Bharatanatyam Exponent and Guru, for her lifetime service, achievements and contribution to the field of Bharatanatyam by preserving and promoting the art in India and abroad. Dated May 1st, 2017, Chennai. Signed, Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran, President, Abhay. Srimati Indira Rajan hails from an Isai Velalar family of doyens of music and art for over 3 generations. Her grandmother Sundarambal was a great Bharatanatyam dancer. Her mother Sundara Kamakshi was a musician of great repute. Her maternal uncle Sri Subramaniam was mridangist, and her paternal uncles K.N. Dandayudapani Pillai and Sri K.N. Pakkiri Swami Pillai were well-known Natuanars. In fact, Pakkiri Swami Pillai was the founder of Abhay. Srimati Indira Rajan started her Gurukula Vasam at the tender age of 6 with Kutralam Sri Ganeshan Pillai. With her inborn talent, she was able to master the intricacies within 3 years, and her first stage performance, the Arangetram, was held at the age of 9 in the presence of none other than M.K. Tyagaraja Bhagavatar. Even after Arangetram, she continued her training for several years, and she started performing independently when she was 13 years old. She was a much sought-after performing artist. She continued as a dancer and her dancing career. She performed in many sabhas of repute all over India and had also performed and conducted lecture demonstrations and workshops abroad. She is, of course, as all of us know, a very famous Natuanar. அவங்க நட்டுவாங்கம் பண்ணால் அப்படியே தூள் கலப்பிடுவாங்க. ஆடுறவாளை பார்க்குறதா அவங்கள பார்க்குறதான்னு நம்மளுக்கு தெரியாமல் அந்த அளவுக்கு நம்மளை எல்லோரையும் ஈர்த்துடுவாங்க. She started performing Natuangam for great exponents of the art like Srimati Vaijayanti Mala Bali and Dr. Yamini Krishnamurti. And it is a happy coincidence that we have honored both of them with the Natya Kalanidhi Award today. Abhay is proud of this fact. She has also done Natvangam for Alarmelvalli and for many other senior dancers. She has traveled with them all over the world to places like Dubai, Singapore, Hong Kong, Malaysia, South Africa. So great is her reputation as a Natuvanar that the Central Sangeet Natak Academy recognized her talents and entrusted her to train young aspirants in this art. Srimati Indira Rajan started her career as a guru in 1968 with the opening of her own dance school, Vadhini Natyalaya. So far, more than 1,000 students have had Arangetrams and are performing in different parts of the world. They are carrying on her tradition. Srimati Indira Rajan has choreographed many dances and dance dramas. She has also choreographed dances for a few movies. Among her best dance dramas are Muruga Sharanam, Shakti Darshanam, Kutrala Kuravanji, to name a few. Some of the main honors are Natyakala Ratnam, Natyakala Bhushana, Natya Bodhaga Arasi, Kalai Mamani, Acharya Chudamani, Nunkalai Vani, Devanartaki, the Central Sangeet Natak Academy Award, Natya Selvi, the Guru Award from Natya Rangam, and the E. Krishna Ed Medal from the Shruti Foundation. Abhay is honored to have honored Srimati Indira Rajan today.
We at Abhay have decided to award a senior mridangist, and we are giving it to none other than Nellai Shri D. Kannan, who has to catch a train today, so which is why we are bringing the award function forward, and conferring the title of Laya Dhwani Avadhani on Shri Nellai D. Kannan.
Abhay, the Association of Bharatanatyam Artists of India, is pleased to confer the title of Layavadhani on Shri Nellai D. Kannan, Mridanga Vidwan, for his service, achievements and contribution to the field of Bharatanatyam. Dated May 1st, 2017, Chennai. Signed, Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran, President, Abhay. Nellai D. Kannan hails from a family of musicians, his father being the Mridangam Maestro, Nellai P.S. Devaraja Iyer. He needs no introduction, for he has been in the field for over 4 decades and has accompanied almost all the senior performers in this field. He has received the prestigious Kalaimamani Award and Nadalaya Ratnam, and we are honored today to have honored this very senior Mridanga Vidwan.
Nartaka Nipuna 2017. He is a popular dancer, choreographer, guru, a versatile artist. I call upon Shri Shijit Krishna to take center stage. Janaki will present the citation.
Abhay, the Association of Bharatanatyam Artists of India, is pleased to confer the title of Nartaka Nipuna and present the Srimati Nirmala Ramachandran Award to Sri Shijit Krishna, Bharatanatyam dancer and teacher. Dated May 1st, 2017, Chennai. Signed, Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran, President, Abhay. Bharatanatyam artist Shijit Krishna is the director of Chennai-based Sahridaya Foundation, an arts organization for the study, research and teaching of Bharatanatyam, Carnatic music, theatre, poetry and art. He studied, taught and performed at the world-renowned Kalakshetra Foundation for 21 years, from 1989 to 2010. An independent artist and choreographer, he learned Bharatanatyam, percussion and vocal music from stalwarts as Srimati Sharada Hoffman, Sri Vikku Vinayakram and Sri S. Rajaram. He's a wonderful Konakol artist too. A lead performer in the Kalakshetra repertory, Shijit Krishna has played the roles of both hero and villain, Rama and Ravana, in Rukmini Devi's legendary 6-part Ramayana series. While at Kalakshetra, he also choreographed and directed Masquerade, which is an adaptation of Man in the Iron Mask. He did it in the idiom of Bharatanatyam. His other internationally recognized ensemble works include Krishna Bharatam, Parinamam and Pravaha. Most recently, he has directed and choreographed Sahridaya Foundation's music dance theatre adaptation of Don Quixote. He has also choreographed Ram Katha, based primarily on Ramcharitmanas of Tulsidas. That's his latest work. His awards and honors include Bharat Kalachar's Yuva Kala Bharati, Narada Gana Sabha Senior Dancer Award, Sangeet Natak Academy's Bismillah Khan Yuva Puraskar, Shri Krishna Gana Sabha's Yagiraman Award for Excellence in Dance, and the Ram Gopal Award for Best Male Solo Artist from Attendance. Abhay is very happy to have honored this very versatile Bharatanatyam dancer this evening.
The Gandharva Nipuna for 2017 is none other than Sri Veda Krishna Ram, a mridangist much sought after in today's dance world, for his rhythm is so very steady that even if the dancer falls, he will not falter.
Abhay, the Association of Bharatanatyam Artists of India, is pleased to confer the title of Gandharva Nipuna and present the Usha Srinivasan Award to Sri Veda Krishna Ram, Mridanga Vidwan for Natyam, for his long-standing service in the field of Bharatanatyam as a senior Mridanga Vidwan. Dated May 1st, 2017, Chennai. Signed Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran, President Abhay. Sri Veda Krishna Ram belongs to a traditional family steeped in classical music, who are maestros in the art of playing the mridangam. Initiated into learning to play the mridangam at a very young age from his father, Mridanga Vidwan, the late Thiru Venkateshan, and later Veda Krishna Ram also imbibed the art to accompany artists for Bharatanatyam from his uncle, Mridanga Vidwan, Sri Bhaktavatsalam, who was the disciple of the legend Mangudi Thirudorairaj Iyer. Since the age of 20, Veda Krishna Ram accompanied various senior dancers such as Dr. Sri Yamini Krishnamurti, Swarnamukhi, Sri Dhananjayans, the Dhananjayans, Srimati Sudharani Raghupatri, Sri Udupi Lakshmi Narayana, and a few dancers abroad like Srimati Vijay Prakash and Sri Guru Kalyana Sundaram Pillai in Mumbai, and several other senior artists. He has accompanied many leading artists and has traveled extensively abroad for the past 2 decades, representing the country at various prestigious international festivals. One of the most memorable events, he says, was performing in Carnegie Hall, New York, accompanying none other than Pandit Ravi Shankar as part of the 50th Indian Independence Day celebrations. Abhay is very happy to have honored this very versatile Mridanga Vidwan, very much sought after. He performs, I think, almost every day nowadays. Abhay is happy to have honored him.
This year, Abhay has instituted the award Natya Perinjyoti to a deserving lady artist of the fraternity above the age of 45 years. This is to recognize the contribution of senior dancers and acharyas. A first recipient of this award is Srimati Radhika Surajit, and I call upon her to take the center stage. Janaki will read a citation and biodata. We request our president to honor her with a citation and a purse.
Abhay, the Association of Bharatanatyam Artists of India, is pleased to confer the title of Nritya Perinjyoti on Srimati Radhika Surajit, Bharatanatyam exponent and guru, for her service, achievements and contribution to the field of Bharatanatyam by preserving and promoting the art in India and abroad. Dated May 1st, 2017, Chennai. Signed Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran, President Abhay. Srimati Radhika Surajit, eldest of the trio sisters, is one of the first and senior most disciples of Padma Bhushan, Srimati Shanta and Sri V.P. Dhananjayan. Radhika is an established performer, teacher, choreographer, media visualizer and television director. Radhika trains many students at her institution, Trai, in Chennai. She has choreographed several unique dance productions which are very popular. She's a trendsetter in creating unique productions for stage, television and the celluloid media. She has collaborated with international theatre groups and ballet dancers. She has also directed several music and dance shows for television networks in India and world over. She is well known for her lecture demonstrations and dance workshops in India and abroad. Radhika has specialized in adapting dance through the lens and in taking Bharatam to the common man. She has traveled all around the world with her productions and workshops. She has conceived, visualized, and directed the Bharatanatyam game show, the very popular Takadimita, which was telecast on Jaya TV. This show had completed more than 500 episodes and had also won the National Rapa Award as the best television dance show. That's not a mean achievement for a show which focused on Bharatanatyam. Radhika has choreographed several national award-winning songs for feature films and has had the rare opportunity to visualize music for Maestro Ilayaraja, Oscar awardee A.R. Rahman, Vidyasagar, Ramesh Vinayakam, and many others. That itself reads like a who's who. She is a recipient of several awards like Acharya Chudamani from Sri Krishna Gana Sabha, Kala Seva Bharati from Bharat Kalachar, Nritya Ratna, Kala Vipanchi, and many more. She is an honorary citizen award from Oklahoma State University in the United States in 1988. She's performed extensively all around the globe in countries like Europe, Australia, Middle East, South America, USA, USSR, South Africa, and Sri Lanka. She was the president of our very own Abhay for 3 years and was also the convener of Natya Darshan Seminar of Karthik Fine Arts for 3 years. She's the advisory council member of the Madras chapter of the IDA, and Abhay is very happy to have presented the very first award of Nritya Perunjoti to Srimati Radhika Shurajit.
Thank you, Radhika. We would like our chief guest, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, to say a few words and bless us.
First of all, I apologize for sitting here. I have a problem with my legs, so Chitra Vishweshwaran kindly permitted me to sit and talk. As one who has enormously enjoyed Bharatanatyam over many years, I feel very proud to sit between two giants, two great giants of the Bharatanatyam. Here is Yamini Krishnamurthy and Indira Rajan on the other side. Thank you, Chitra. I have never had my opportunity. I have heard them, listen and seen them, but sitting between the two great icons of Bharatanatyam is a very great honor. I am particularly happy because I think Abhay is one of those few organizations which looks at the problems in a holistic way, the human needs of the artist as well as the professional needs of the artist. Both of them, I don't know many organizations, some of them who look at the problems of the profession, some of them problem of the individual, but here you have a combination of the two, looking at the problem of both. I am, as an agricultural scientist, I have a special affinity for...
Can I hold it for you?
Pardon?
Can I hold it?
Sorry. I am just finishing. I have particularly enjoyed Bharatanatyam and other forms of cultural events, largely because, as you know, agriculture was the mother of all culture. It's from agriculture that other cultures came, including dance, drama, and all the folk dances which we now see all parts of the country owe their origin to agriculture. And I want to congratulate those who conceived of Abhay, who built it up, who gave the time, because I know organizations can be built only by dedicated office bearers. And Chitra Vishweshwaran, I have known her from a very young age, and I couldn't say no to her when she said, please come, although you are not able to stand, you can talk sitting, she said. Now again, on behalf of everyone here, I want to congratulate all the awardees today. Not only the awardees, but those who are here in the audience, who give us immense pleasure.
To honor
Srimati and Shri Dhananjayan, because today we are presenting an item that they had taught last year at our Abhivriddhi Shala, a Shabdam which is composed by Sir himself in Ragamalika, Talamishra Chapu, which we are performing today. And after that, Akka would also like to honor this year's Abhivriddhi Shala teachers, gurus, Guru Satyanarayana Raju, who is teaching a Varnam, and Guru Srimati Rama Vaidyanathan, who is teaching a lovely Kirtanam. Satya, Rama, please come. Akka, Rama and Satya. Here. Before we propose the vote of thanks, Srimati Vasanta Lakshmi Narasimhachari wanted to honor all the awardees and has sent flowers and angavastrams for all the awardees. So I request, and there are other dance enthusiasts like our own Vijay Madhavan and Bala Gurunathan who want to honor Veda sir. I call upon our treasurer, Srimati Priya S. Dikshit, to propose the vote of thanks.
Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. It is my humble duty here to propose the vote of thanks. Pranams to the Almighty who has blessed us as artists and continues to shower His divine grace on us. It is indeed a privilege to have had with us the eminent scientist professor, Dr. M.S. Swaminathan, a very distinguished gentleman here as the chief guest this evening. Thank you, sir, for the befitting speech and having accepted our invitation to be the chief guest. Year on year, Abhay honors itself by honoring legends in the field of Bharatanatyam. It is indeed gracious of these artists to accept the humble felicitation and award. Thank you, Natya Kalanidhi, Dr. Yamini Krishnamurthy, and Natya Kalanidhi, Srimati Indira Rajan. Our gratitude to the other awardees, Shri Deepak Majumdar, Shrijit Krishna, Shri Vijay Raghavan, Shri Veda Krishnan, Shri Nellai Kannan, Srimati Radhika Surajit. Thank you for being present here in person and honoring our request. We thank all our supporters, donors and sponsors whose contributions and donations help Abhay run its year-long activities. Our gratitude to Srimati Usha Srinivasan and Srimati Nirmala Ramchandran who have set up the endowment awards for us, and to Dr. Anita Ratnam for having enhanced the same. Thanks to our special guests who have come in here this evening. Our very dear Jai Lakshmi teacher here, Shri Dhananjayan sir, Srimati Shanta Dhananjayan Akka, Shri Balagopal, Srimati Savitri Jagannath Rao, Srimati Jaikamala Pandian, and also all our special guests and gurus who have come here this evening to honor us by being here. At Abhay, we believe in making every event special, even if it is in a very small way. This year, thanks to the students of Srimati Ranganayaki Jairaman, who did the Kolatam, and Shri Muttu and his troupe for the folk dance, who did the Kumi to welcome the special guests. Our thanks to the admin team who always lend a ready hand at all hours to get the entire event running. Tamil Nadu ELSI Nataka Mandram for this beautiful venue. We didn't miss the summer heat here. To conduct the Abhivriddhi Shala and also the Abhay Day and providing us with the soundscape. Thanks to every guest and invitee who have been with us not just today, but supporting us at every juncture in the last 29 years. As we look forward to an eventful year ahead, we wish you the very best and warm wishes for your artistic endeavor. Thank you.
Every art is the expression of the here and now, when you celebrate its natural dynamics. Dance is movement, life, literature, archaeology, mysticism, music, painting, poetry, and drama. It is a window to a larger life and culture. I quote our president, Srimati Chitra Vishweshwaran. That was the reason that the regular workshops of Abhay became Abhivriddhi Shalas, as the teaching and learning became more holistic. We present rare items taught during the Abhivriddhi Shalas over the years.